Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk how we can create a repository on GitHub and we can push code on GitHub. So for that we need to create a local folder on your computer which code you want to put on GitHub. So for that we need to create a repository on our local computer. We'll open this PC, go to C drive, create a folder here. You can create a folder wherever you want on your computer. So I created here. So I want to give the folder name is sample project. So here it is. This is my repository folder name. Okay, now I want to open it with Visual Studio Code and okay, open folder, go to C drive. Open this folder which you created or whatever repository you want to write. Okay, so we want to create a file here. So the file name is, for example, index.html. Okay, now write some code here. Okay, so we are writing some code here. Okay, h3 tag, inside h3 we write hello world. Inside a p tag I want to write lorem with some text. Okay, so then this is the, so we want to copy this div once or twice. Okay, this is our code. And okay, now create another file, index.css. Okay, now write some CSS here. Margin 0, padding 0. Okay, this is our file index.html and this is index.css. Okay, we want to push this code on GitHub. So for that we need to open CMD, or you can open Visual Studio Code terminal as well. So I am opening in CMD, command prompt of my computer. Okay, we open that. Now we will go to browser and go to github.com. For that you need to create a repository here. Okay, so the repository name is sample. For example, you can give the name whatever you want. Sample project. Now click create repository. Okay, GitHub gave us some command. We need to give this command on CMD. Okay, this is not important. It is not important, so it is important. We have to give this command. Okay, git init. Okay, so this is not the right path we are giving. We need to go to the real path. So this is C drive under sample project. So we are two-step upgrade, so we need to go down to cd cd sample project. Okay, this is our project. Now we need to give the command, give init. Okay, now give the second command, but we need to change it, because if we put this command here, the git will accept only readme.md file. So we don't want it. We want to put all the files. So we need to write git add space dot, so it will accept all the file. Okay, now give the next command. Next command is git commit -n quotation the description of the project. Okay, now this command Now this command and the last one. Okay, it is almost done. Yes, there it is. Now reload this page. There it is. This is our CSS file and this is our index.html file. That is which we created few minutes ago. So that's it. This is so easy and it is so important for all the developers. So I hope you like this video. If you want to know anything, let me know in the comment section. So thank you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.